Most people fail online because they try to do everything alone. They build pages from zero. They write all the emails. They chase people one by one with AI matrix spillover. You don't have to do that. You get a complete AI recruiting system that presents for you, done for you. Pages and an integrated autoresponder pace of list building while you promote. Access to a 212 matrix that can pay you monthly as it fills. You don't need to be a tech expert or a sales closer. You just focus on sending people to your link, and the system does the explaining and follow-up. If you'd like to see behind the scenes and get more free information, hit like on this video, share it with someone who wants to build income online. Comment "I want" down below. Everyone who comments "I want" will receive more free details about AI Matrix, spillover, and how to plug into the system.